Groceries. I'm recording. I thought I got groceries for that much.
Ready? Huh? Yeah, good catch.
Good catch.
Good catch. Throw it back to Daddy.
You throw it to Daddy?
Back to Daddy. Yeah. Ready? Ooh, ooh.
Get it. Good job.
What?
Is that Daddy?
Yeah. You got a strong grip. You gotta watch the ball.
Take a shot, Chloe.
Here.
Can you shoot it?
Here. Go. Oh, he shoots. She scores. Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah. Boop. Boop.
Chloe.
Mommy.
Chloe, can you look at Mommy? Hi, pretty girl. Dad. Is Daddy home from work? Yes, Daddy's home. Where's your daddy? There's your daddy. Good job.
The long one.